Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your equipment in Windrose. Now the first thing that you are going to need is go over to your build mode by pressing down B and then press right click to choose any building that you want. Now over on the armor and clothes right here, hover over to the armor and clothing workshop. This workshop will require at least 5 pieces of wood and 10 pieces of coarse fabric. And just like any important structure in the game, make sure to read the description of that workshop. As you can see right here, this will allow you to make equipment, but it requires a roof and works only within the bonfire range. Now currently, I'm pretty much within the range of my bonfire. And also, it's inside a hut right here. As you can see, the armor and clothing workshop, I place it down right over here. And once you place it down, press down E to use it. Over here on the top, you can find the option for upgrade right here. All of the selections that you find inside will be all of the armor that you're currently using on your person. And if you want to upgrade something, just press on it. For example, right here, the Fleabustier's boots. And it requires at least 2 pieces of rough hide and 2 pieces of coarse fabric. And these are pretty easy to get, so I'm just going to press confirm to upgrade them. And now the item is level 4. And thankfully, the amount of resources that I need hasn't really changed that much. Unless of course it reaches a threshold, as you can see right here, because it also requires better materials and a higher level workshop. And that's pretty much about it on how to upgrade your equipment in Windrose.